Welcome to this tutorial on building a mini AI chatbot using nodejs, Express, and OpenAI. This guide is perfect for beginner developers looking to integrate AI into their web applications. First, let's see the final output. Here's a simple chatbot web page in action. When I type hello, the AI instantly replies. Then if I ask it to explain a reg in simple words, it provides a clear, concise answer. This interactive demo is crucial for increasing watch retention, showing viewers exactly what they'll build. Now let's get started with the setup requirements. You will need Node.js installed. You can verify your Node.js and npm installations by running node-via add npm-via in your terminal. Next, create a new project folder by make directory Mini AI Chatbot, then navigate into it with cd Mini AI Chatbot. Initialize your project with npm init. You to create a package JSON file. Let's move on to the backend setup, which involves creating our server and API. Install the necessary packages: Express, cores, dotenv, and OpenAI using npm install express cores dotenv OpenAI. Create a .env file and add your OpenAPI key. Now create server.js. We'll import Express, cores, dotenv, and OpenAI. Then configure dotenv, initialize Express, and set up cores and Express JSON middleware. Initialize the OpenAI client with your API key from the environment variables. Our backend will have a post chat endpoint. This endpoint will receive the user's message. Inside the post chat handler, we extract the message from the request body. We then send this message to the OpenAI Chat Completions API using the GPT-4o mini model and a system prompt. The AI returns a response which we then send back to the front end as a JSON reply. Finally, the server listens on port 5000, logging a confirmation message. Next, let's build the front end with a simple UI using index.html. We start with the basic HTML structure, including a title and some inline CSS for styling. The body contains the core functionality is in our sendMessage JavaScript function. It retrieves the message from the input, adds it to the chat box, and clears the input. Crucially, it uses fetch to call our backend's chat endpoint. Once the backend sends a reply, the UI processes the JSON response and prints the AI's message to the chat box, then scrolls to the bottom. To run the project, first we need to start the backend. Add type module to your package.json file to enable ES module support. Then simply run nodeserver.js in your terminal to start the backend server. For the front end, just open index.html directly in your web browser. As a bonus upgrade, let's add a loading text to improve the user experience. Before the fetch call, add a div with AI typing, add an ID of loading to the chat box. After receiving the response, remove this loading indicator using document.getElement by id.remove. This simple addition provides immediate feedback to the user, making the chatbot feel more responsive. Now your next step is simple. Change the UI, add memory, and make it your own. And yes, don't worry, complete code is in the description. Please like, subscribe, and drop your doubts in comments.